Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and today I'm here in our prime location, Amaresa 3, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Today guys, I'm going to give you Area Prime updated house tour and sample computation, okay? So let's go guys and join me today. Ito guys, yung sa Amaresa 3. Ayan. So, just to give you an idea, marami na pong nakatira sa Amaresa Phase 1. And then, ano na po tayo, Phase 3. Yung Phase 2, ano na din siya, sold out na siya. And Phase 3, ongoing land development. So, yun po yung ino-offer natin, pre-selling. So, kung yung hanap mo pre-selling, we have it for you. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo ng buyer na ready for occupancy talaga yung hanap mo, just contact me kasi from time to time, meron naman tayong nare-reopen na ready for occupancy dito, pero depende yung model, for example. Tsaka syempre, sa computation, yung RFO, ano na siya, cash na yung down payment niya. So, the difference between ready for occupancy and pre-selling is either cash na yung down payment ng RFO or kung hindi man, 3 to 6 months na lang siya kayang bayaran. Pero kapag pre-selling, pwede pa tayo sa 18 months, sa 24 months. So, mahaba pa yung terms mo. Ma-extend mo pa siya, ma-stretch mo pa siya, kaya mas affordable pa yung kanyang down payment. Alright? So, ganun po yung difference niya, guys. So, we're gonna start with Area Prime. So, let me just... Okay, let's go, guys. Okay? Ayan. Di tayo kay Area Prime kasi ang highlight ng update ko ngayon is si Area Prime naman eh. Ay, I forgot my card. So, guys, kasi papasok tayo sa loob, diba? Si Area Prime, ito siya. Yung kanyang floor and lot area showing on the screen. Ayan. So, nakita nyo naman guys, diba? Very generous at malaki yung kanyang usable floor and kanyang minimum lot. Ganito siya, yung kanyang exterior view. Ano siya eh, Asian modern design. Yun po yung tawag namin dito sa Amaresa. Sa kanyang design. Bago tayo pumasok sa loob, pakita ko lang yung pinaka-exterior view niya. Kasi ito na yung actual. Ayan, o diba? Side view. Tapos yung front view ni Area Prime. Napakaganda niya, guys. Personally, I like the color. Kasi hindi siya overpowering. Ang classic nung color combination niya. Do you agree with me, guys? So, pag tinurn over siya, meron kang space for your garden. And then, syempre, dahil nga may malaki siyang balcony, yun na rin yung bubong ng iyong car garage, diba? Tapos, malaki pa yung space mo dito sa side. Ayan, as you can see, guys. At yung sa service area. Ganito na rin yung turnover ng kanyang door. Yan. Very durable and elegant. Pagpasok natin kay Area Prime, ganito yung magiging itsura niya, guys. So, sa side na to, so, diba, yun yung main door natin. So, when you enter Area Prime, you can put your living space here. Diba? Ayan. It depends kung dito mo na gustong ilagay yung television mo eh. Pero for this one, dahil meron ka pang extra space dito, pwede kang magkaroon ng separate entertainment area wherein diyan mo lagay yung malaki mong TV. Diba? Ayan. Tapos ito, pwede mo to i-turn into, diba malaki yung size niya, para siyang sofa bed siya actually, diba? So, pwede mo tong gawing kwarto rin. So, depende sa'yo, dahil ikaw naman yung magde-design ng interior mo. Pero ito, dress-up model to, guys. Okay, syempre, hindi po kasama yung mga gamit sa turnover. Complete finish siya, meaning naka-tiles, naka-paint, naka-ceiling, naka-partition, may mga fixtures yung toilet. Kasama to sa kitchen turnover. So, ganun po siya. Ang laki pa ng space mo dito sa ibaba ng hagdan, nakapaglagay pa nga tayo ng mga chairs. So, ayan, guys. Ito pa, sa ilalim. Yan. O, diba? And then your dining area na pwede 4 or up kahit 6-seater dining kayang-kaya. Okay? And then your kitchen area, your access to the service area or laundry area, And your toilet and shower number 1. Buksan natin yung ilaw. Ayan. O, diba guys, no? Welcome to your future home here in Amaresa, Area Prime, diba? Alam mo guys, watch until the end kasi sa kanyang computation, no? For you to own this kind of elegant home, single attached na yan, ha? Napaka-affordable niya lang pala, yung kanyang terms, diba? So, watch until the end for that information. Let's go to the second floor, guys. Ayan, ganito na rin yung turnover ng kanyang stairs. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng konting dramatic slow motion effect yung kanyang stairs. Ganon, may ganon. Ayan, mataas po yung ceiling niya ha, from here. So actually, if you want to design it, like put a chandelier or a drop lights, kayang-kaya, pwedeng-pwede. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging hallway mo. This door is leading to your balcony. Siguro na natin si balcony, no? So, si balcony area, yan siya guys. Pag open natin dito, malaki siya. Sobrang laki niya. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng malaking inflatable pool. Pwede kayong mag-party-party. Kaya kung ikaw ay OFW or immigrants, di ba? Kahit locally employed, di ba? Ayan. Pag may mga bisita kayo, pag may occasion, birthdays, Christmas, New Year, ayan. Pwedeng-pwede kang invite ng maraming kahit mga 20 na tao. Ganon. Diba guys? Ay, invite mo sila sa mga party events mo. Invite mo na rin ako. Diba? Char. Ayan siya guys. Look at that. This is Amaresa. None other than Area Prime. Your bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 actually spacious enough for single bed, double bed, even queen size actually could fit in this one. And pwede ka rin mag-double deck kasi mataas naman ang kanyang ceiling. And then, this is your bedroom 2. O, ayan. So, ang maganda kay Area Prime, guys, up to family of 6 members. So, for example, you have 4 kids. O, diba? Marami kang anak. Masipag ka eh. Ayan. So, pwede ka mag-double deck dyan. Double deck dito. And then, yung master's bedroom, syempre para sa mga parents. Ating mga hardworking parents. Kung halimbawa namang small family lang kayo, kahit 2 anak mo, tig-isa silang kwarto, solo room nila, o kaya naman, kung talagang mas maliit pa yung family mo, yung isang room, guest room, o diba? Ikaw bahala. So, ayan siya guys, your master's bedroom, and your toilet and shower number 2. So, ayan. So, in total, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower, at kung i-convert mo sa isa pang kwarto, yung nasa baba, then magiging up to 4 bedrooms ka na. Nakadepende po yan guys sa iyo kung paano mo i-design ang iyong future home Area Prime dito sa Amaresa. So let's go guys, cause we're gonna talk about our updated sample computation. You know, I like how Amaresa is providing their computation now kasi they're showing na kung magkano pala yung nasi-save nung mga buyers, ng mga clients, no? Kasi, ganito siya, guys. So, ayan, ha? Let me show you on the screen yung kanyang sample computation for Area Prime. So, yung kanyang mga miscellaneous na yan and other fees, ganyan. Yan yung halaga nun, guys, which is ang laki niyan, ha? Ano na yan? So, binabawas na yan or hindi mo na yan babayaran separately. Kumbaga, nakalagay nga dyan sa computation nila, free eh. So, yun yung sinasagot na developer. Okay? So, napakalaking tulong yan. It's a very big savings. So, as you can see, total contract price, no? Reservation, and then, VAT inclusive na rin yan, ha? VAT inclusive yung TCP natin. Tapos, yan nga, yung mga free nila na fees ni developer na sila na yung magpa-process nun or naka-intact na yon. Either way, for as long as intact na siya, diba? So, ayan po, at ang kanyang monthly equity, yan, for Area Prime model. So, nakita nyo naman guys, very affordable, estimated bank amortization plus yung required income. So, let's talk about the required income. Yung required income na yan guys, pwede po yung solo or combined kung mag-asawa, combined your income, okay? Kung magkapatid, co-borrower, magpinsan, magkamag-anak, or kung sino man yung co-borrower mo, okay, go ahead. Combined income. So, ang ibig sabihin ng co-borrower is kasama mo siya, katulad mo siya kung ano yung requirements mo, pareho kayo ng requirements, kasama siya sa contract, okay? So, ganun po yun, guys, alright? Ganun ang co-borrower. Sinasama din natin siya kasi nga, sasubmit din siya ng mga kailangan eh. So, dapat, meron ka talagang co-borrower na kausap mo na nag-agree din na okay siya na mag-submit ng kanyang requirements, okay? So, if you have any other questions, guys, and dito, ang kailangan nyo lang naman tandaan, one of the things that you need to remember is no walk-ins are allowed. Since may community na po sa Amaresa, very strict ang ating guard. So, strictly no walk-ins. At least 1 to 2 days before, kontakin niyo po ako kung gusto niyo mag-clipping, mag-viewing, mag-model viewing, di ba? Ayan. Viber and WhatsApp number always showing on the screen naman, guys, di ba? Just mention Amaresa or just mention Arya Prime. Ayan, ganyan, guys, okay? And for the sample computation, although pinakita ko na pero gusto mo pa ng copy, sige, kontakin mo lang ako or if you have any other questions. Okay, guys? So, our pre-selling phase, it is actually selling fast in our inventory. So, if gusto mo pang makahabol sa Arya Prime, kasi yung other models dito nasa ano na siya, 9.2 million, 11 million, 12 million, mas mataas na. Ito na yung pinaka-affordable natin na model, pero nakita niyo naman kung gaano kaganda si Arya Prime. Diba, no? Yung 7 million na yan, like it's sa Manila, pag bibili ka ng condo, parang katumbas lang yan ng 1-bedroom condominium or 2 bedrooms, depende kung anong klaseng condo, diba? Pero dito, guys, meron ka ng ganung kalaking lot area, floor area, single attached na siya, may car garage, may garden, service area ka na, complete finish na, and then 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath na siya. And then your security, your community, 24/7, secured po tayo dito. And we have complete amenities too, no? Like yung clubhouse, parks and playground, basketball court, and also swimming pool. So, yung swimming pool and clubhouse na yan, guys, ongoing construction na rin. Itatayo na rin nila yan soon dito sa ating project. Okay? So, that is Amaresa for all of you guys. Arya Prime model. Kung ang gamit mo ay Messenger, kasi binigay na yung Viber WhatsApp ko, ayan. So, kung sa Facebook or Messenger, ayan siya, guys, may blue check yan. Verified yan. Ako yan, wala nang iba. Pwede nyo ako dyang i-PM, just mention Amaresa or Arya Prime. O, ayan, ganun, guys. Okay? Pero kung Viber or WhatsApp yung gamit mo kung nasa abroad ka, kasi most of my clients here, like 80%, Filipinos abroad and others, syempre, locally employed. So, yun po yung mga demographics ng mga clients dito, guys, like working abroad, o kaya naman privately working here, or professionals, doctors, and lawyers, and like that. Yun po yung mga demographics ng mga clients natin dito or yung mga future neighborhood mo dito sa Amaresa. Okay, guys? So, ayan lang, guys, Viber and WhatsApp number kasi nga bawal mag-walk-in. And of course, most important thing, syempre, guys, 'di ba? Huwag niyong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel para lagi kang updated sa mga project updates na ginagawa ko, 'di ba? From time to time. This past few days, ewan ko napansin niyo rin, no, medyo yung upload ko, 'di ba? Once or twice a week or ganyan. Pero ngayon mas dadalasan ko ulit kasi sobrang naging busy talaga ako, guys, kasi meron akong mga inaasikaso this past few weeks, okay? Pero ngayon is yan, tuloy-tuloy ulit ang ating mga project updates dahil sobrang na-miss ko rin naman ang pag-vlog. Okay? So thank you, guys, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!